Hi everyone, welcome back. We'll start off with our new lesson. It's folk art. What is folk art? It covers of all forms of visual art made in the context of folk culture. Folk art are rooted in and reflective of the cultural life of a community. There are two types of folk art: tangible and intangible. Tangible, it includes objects which historically are crafted and used within the traditional community. Intangible folk art, this includes such forms as music, dance, and narrative structures. The famous folk arts of India are Madhubani, miniature painting, Pad, Wali, Patachitras, Gonda, Kalamkari, Tanjore, Calicut painting, etc. In this class, I will introduce you to a folk art known as Wali painting. Wali is a style of tribal art, mostly created by the tribal people. This tribal art was originated in Maharashtra, where it is still practiced today. The tradition of Wali painting in Maharashtra are among the finest example of folk style of painting. The Wali tribe is one of the largest cities in India. The style of Wali was not recognized until the 1970s, even though thought to date back in early as 10th century AD. The Wali culture is centered around the concept of Mother Nature, and elements of nature are often focal point depicting in Wali painting. Now we'll go through the painting techniques. These rudimentary wall painting use a set of basic geometrical shapes: a circle, a triangle, and a square. The shapes are symbolic of different elements of nature. The circle and the triangle come from the observation of nature. The circle represents the sun and the moon, while the triangle is derived from the mountains and pointed trees. In contrast, squares appears to be a human invention indicating sacred enclosure or a piece of land. Now we'll see what materials are used to make this painting. The ritual painting are usually created on the inside wall of the village huts. The walls are made of a mixture of branches, earth, and red bricks that makes a red ochre background for the painting. The Wali only paint with a white pigment made from the mixture of rice paste and water with gum as a binder. A bamboo stick is chewed at the end to give it the texture of a paintbrush. Walls are painted only to mark special occasions such as weddings and harvests. Now we will see how the Wali drawings are made. For drawing a man, usually it is made with two triangles that makes the body and a circle, and the leg will be this way. This makes the structure of the human body part. And if this is a girl or a woman, it will be like with a small circle here. So this is the basic drawing for a man. And if it is shown with some instruments, then it will be like the instrument will be placed here. Like this. So that makes the man. And the number of the repetition makes a group of people, like so many. So that makes a group of people like that going around. And another the side view and all, it will be same only. We are drawing a side view. The thing is, like if that person is carrying something, like usually before it used to be like that. So a basket on both the sides, and the hand will be going towards that. So like that it will be. For animals, what it is mostly, this line is not there. Animals, it will be like that, it will be animals. For cow, they might add a hump over there, not the hump, the ox one. And for this, two horns and little bit elongated will be the face. Like that it will be done. For trees, it is more like branches. The branches will go and the round will be there like that, or a long, thin, I mean like long leaves like that, it will be there. So like how it is done, stem and the leaves will be drawn, I mean the branches will be drawn like this, and on that the leaves will be drawn in a particular pattern. So these are the basic things which are followed for the making of Wall-E painting. So for this class you will be making a Wall-E art like this. You can choose any design, you don't have to do the same design. It's available in Google or Pinterest. So here I had used a maroon cardstock. On that I had made with a white gel pen and a white marker. So you can make it with the same, or if you are doing it on white printer paper, you can make the drawing with a black pen and fill it with the black marker. It should be in contrast, make it more prominent designs and very attractive also. Here the main attraction is for the tree, and the human figures are very less and the birds are there. You can make it of your choice as I told before. So complete it in 1 week time and submit it. Okay children, have a nice day. Thank you.